In the last section, we learned about expressions, and we added a couple expressions to our paragraph element in our index.html file. But there are a couple outstanding issues with the expressions that we've added. For instance, shouldn't the price be displayed as a currency? And perhaps we want to display our product as all lowercase numbers. Well, how might we do this programmatically using Angular? The answer is with something called filters. A filter is denoted by a pipe symbol followed by the name of the filter we would like to use. In this case, I've added a lowercase filter to our product expression. And then we can add a currency filter to our price expression. The lowercase filter will convert all letters in the string to lowercase letters, and the currency will display our price as a US dollar currency. Let's go to our browser to see this in action. Just as we anticipated, the letters are all displaying as lowercase and the price is now a US dollar currency. But since it's a nice round number, perhaps we want to display it without the cents attached to it. Let's go back to our index.html file to see how we might accomplish this. And it turns out the way that we do this is by adding a couple parameters to this currency filter. The first parameter defines the type of currency that we want to display it as. And since the default currency is US dollars, we simply add an undefined parameter to maintain that default currency value. Then we add in the number of cents that we would like to display in our currency. We don't want there to be any decimals showing in our currency, so we pass in a value of 0. Let's go back to our browser to see this update. And again, just as we expected, it removes the cents from our currency. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg with Angular filters. I would encourage you to take a look at the Angular documentation on filters and learn about more filters you can use, as well as how to write your own filters that you can use within your Angular applications. And after you've had a chance to play around with them a little bit, we'll see you in the next section.